Okay, let's make a start with Ielts speaking part one, and I will ask you a number of different questions, and you have to answer. Let's start with you. Do you like animals?
Yes, I like animals. Mostly, I like cats because they look very beautiful, and especially white color cats are they they look very beautiful, and their eyes are also very. Uh,
Okay, now instead of talking about cats specifically, you need to talk about animals generally. Do you like animals? Yes, I like animals, and my favorite animal is cat. Animals are very good. Some animals are very helping to human. So to answer your question, I like animals. But if you just come to cats, it means you're changing the
yeah.
topic. Now let's go on. Would you like to keep an animal as a pet in your house?
Uh, no, I don't like to use an animal as a pet in my house uh, because I don't like this, and for this purpose, we can use other ideas like mm,
Okay, what are the most common animals in your country?
most common animals.
Yes.
In my country, the different animals are very common, like dogs, cats, and lion and
Okay, now
horses.
dogs, cat, lion, horses. You're saying all these animals without explanation. You need to explain your answer. First of all, dogs are very common in my country. There are some stray dogs, and some people have kept them a pet as well. Secondly, there are cats. You can see the cats in the street or
Yeah.
anywhere. And finally, there are donkeys and horses as well. Speak. It's not that cats, horses, okay, make
Okay.
sentences properly. Now let's go on. Do you like wild animals?
No, I don't like wild animals because they are harmful for us, and mostly when we go to the zoo with our family, we see the wild animals like tigers, lions, but they are caught in a cage because if they if they
Okay, just stick to the main question. Do you like wild animals? Don't talk about cage and this and that. My question is wild animals. Now, don't take wild animals to the zoo. Just talk about them generally. So, you have the tendency to deviate from the question. So, next time be careful with that. Okay. Now, it's your turn, please. Let's go on. Do you like to eat chocolate?
Yes, I do really like to eat chocolates, and when in childhood I often buy chocolates,
I
and
used to buy.
I used to buy chocolates and often demanded to my father to buy me chocolates and brought the chocolates at home, and every time I would like to
Okay.
eat
Why do
chocolates.
children like to eat chocolate?
Children usually like to eat chocolate because of its taste, and it is so delicious, and it is very sweet, which intrigue the children to eat more chocolates.
Okay. Do you prefer to eat locally made chocolates or imported chocolates?
I I prefer to eat both types of chocolates. Either it is locally and either it is imported, because I love to taste every kind of chocolate, and the taste which matters me most. So I often eat both types of chocolates.
Okay. Have you ever received a chocolate as a gift?
Yes, I received chocolate as a gift on my birthdays, and whenever I have done good in my studies, get good grades, so I receive gifts of chocolates, and I really like whenever I received a gift of chocolate.
Okay. So you need to add on some further. I mean, try to come up with some ideas. And your answer should go around one main idea. So you should have that main idea. And every answer, because in part one, when they ask you the questions, they will ask you questions on same topic. So it is very likely that you will use same information again. You are not supposed to do that. That is what we call repetition. If in every answer you will say chocolate is this, chocolate is that, chocolate, you will get low bench score. So try to expand your answer, and that is only possible if you have a variety of ideas. Okay? Thank you.